Hello everyone, today I'm gonna make mask from the ingredients that are very easy to find and can save your money too. Let's get started! Clean your face first. I clean my face with Garnier micellar water. I have oatmeal from Quaker and Bear Brand. So first, take 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. And then pour enough milk, Bear Brand. Okay. Stir it. I use brush for stirring. Apply the oatmeal with my hand too because it's a little difficult to use this with brush. Okay, now what we're gonna do is wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I already washed the mask and I used the mask for 15 minutes. So a little review from me. I feel my face smoother and brighter than before. But if you use this mask regularly, it can prevent acne, remove blemish skin, and what I know is brighten your skins too. Cheap price, healthy face. So what are you waiting for? Go try it by yourself. See you soon. Bye!